Today I will show you how to create invoices using our system. You can just click on create new invoice, select your GST number and select your customer. Now just search your product or service. Like I am searching for shoes. I have sell 5 quantities of shoes. Now I just adjust the issue date and the due date and I click on save and finalize. It creates my invoice and automatically make a journal entry. Sale to John Doe invoice number 0003. Now you can see here options to send email, receive payment and duplicate this invoice or preview invoice, download PDF, edit and delete. Now I have to send this invoice to my customer. I just click on send email. It sends email to my customer. Then I have another option to record my payments. Like I have received 1500 from my customer, so I just make here enter the amount received, payment date and a payment mode. When I save payment, my invoices as partial paid. When I again click on receive payment, it shows me how much payment I have received from my client. Now you will see here a journal entry automatically passed by my invoice to track a payment like bank account debit to John Day. Now you can send this PDF again